Hi everyone, it's Nicolette here from Dooney & Daughters in Auckland. We have been asked a lot recently about Velvet Luxe, the hybrid chalk paint. I have a tin here. So I thought I would jump on and talk about it a bit, and then I will pop this all into a big blog post. So we'll have lots of information for you all about Velvet Luxe. As normal, if you have any questions, pop them in the comments. And I will save this video as well. So Velvet Luxe comes like this. It is available in 1 litre tins, and it is our indoor-outdoor hybrid chalk paint. So it is still a chalk paint, but it has sealer built into it, and it does a smooth finish. So really beautiful, like contemporary flat finish. So yeah, as I said, it's got sealer built into it, so you don't need to wax afterwards or lacquer. And it is outdoor grade, so perfect for all your outdoor furniture to get ready for summer. Give them a revamp. Bathroom furniture, floors, with floors though I'd still do a top coat of lacquer, but you can use it on your floors. At home I've used it on window frames and doors and skirting. So it's a really hard wearing, durable paint finish. With it, you do need to do a little bit more prep than you do with regular chalk paint. So it still sticks to most surfaces, but anything that's a bit shiny, I would scuff up with some sandpaper. So just a rough grit sandpaper, 150, even a 180 would be fine. And just a really quick sand, just to key it up. So you're not sanding the finish or the varnish off, you're keying it up, dust it down, and then apply your 2 coats. With this one, we would always do 2 coats, or, you know, if it was really dark and you did white, you might need to do 3. But you know how often carbon black or a dark color, just 1 coat and it's fully covered. It does need 2 coats to have the full strength and durability. It takes about 7 days to fully cure. Within that time, use it, just be gentle with it. If it scuffs, which some of the darker colors can, just wipe that with a damp cloth, and don't leave it out in heavy rain within that 7 days. After that, you should be fine. What else? It self-levels, so you get this lovely smooth finish, and it works really well with the Stylemaster flat brushes. So whichever size works for your project. This is a 1.5, but often the 2-inch is great for most projects. And also with the rollers, so I like to use the Too Fussy Blokes smooth roller to get a really smooth finish. You can, if you want to, seal it with lacquer for added durability, but also for a sheen. So the satin lacquer looks great over it, and the gloss, as it is your classic chalk paint matte finish. You can mix the colors together. If you do anything with regular chalk paint though, you will then need to seal it as that changes the formula. And yeah, it's really fun, super easy to use, gives that wonderful smooth contemporary finish. Yeah, comes in all 67 colors. This one is obsidian blue, which is what we've done our shelves in. So if you're ever in Auckland, we do have an example table, but our shelves as well that we use daily are painted in it, and they are holding up really well. So I hope this gives you a little bit of more information about what Velvet Luxe actually is. And if you do have any questions, get in touch. And as I said, I'm writing this up in a blog post so you can refer to it. But it is a really wonderful, really easy to use paint, and highly recommend. Hope you all have a wonderful weekend, and we will be back next week. See you.